In this class we will learn how to add cuts, unfold and fold metal sheets. Open the file available in the class to follow up the study. We will use a command well known among SolidWorks users, and also used in the creation of solid bodies, which is the Extruded Cut. We enabled this feature and now we need to select a face, plane, or edge, but we could also have created a sketch before activating the feature. In this case, we select the upper face of the part. We draw an oblong profile to the center and confirm the sketch. We can change the distance of the cut, reverse it and add a second direction. Let us keep an eye on the normal cut option, because by disabling it, we can insert a tilt outward or inward of the piece, with a certain degree. The option linked to thickness is quite interesting and practical, as it cuts the part into the same thickness as the material. In this way, if we change the thickness of the sheet, the thickness of the cut will be updated as well. We've confirmed this command. Now let's try to make the cut in the corner of the plate. We open a sketch on this face, draw a rectangle and try to cut. Note that it was not possible to cut, as the sketch was created only on this face. To make a cut in this type of geometry, in corners and curves, it is necessary first to plan the workpiece. We will apply unfold. With this feature it is possible to plan or unfold the sheet metal, bringing it to its flat mode. We can still unfold only one face of the plate, or all at once. First we choose which face will be fixed, then the face to unfold, and we confirm. See that only one face of the plate was planned and the other maintained its original state. We edit the feature and click Collect All Bends because we wanted to plan all the faces of this model. Now yes, we open a sketch, insert the profile of the tear and cut. For the sheet metal to return to its original state, we apply the fold command. The fixed face is automatically selected, so we click on the button to collect all faces and confirm. Oh, look! The tear was created exactly as desired. In this class we learned 3 features that make it easy to create tear details on sheet metal.